everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today for us is a very bittersweet, positive, good. I don't know all the words to include on that. It's bittersweet in one way, but in another way, we're super happy for today. Today we are finishing the cursed tract. We thinned this place. We've salvaged, clear cut it after the hurricanes have come through. We've been flooded out. We've had work trucks burned here. Anything that could go wrong has gone wrong on this track while we have cut it both times now. This will be I believe this is our fourth trip in here to cut on this, and we are finally finishing the track today. So, if you like vlogging and you like big machines like that John Deere 748 or that Tigercat 234, if you like log trucks, Kenworths, we got like 100 of them things on Tract, fellow bunchers. Go down below, hit that subscribe button. Y'all get ready, it's time to start the vlog. we are finishing up this track. We're still down to 2 trucks. We're trying to get everything. We're trying to get everything picked up today. I'm not sure if we're going to get everything picked up or not. We've cut with the track buncher and the rubber tire buncher. We have cut with both of those the last 2.5 days, full time, trying to get cut ahead here. Y'all can see all of the wood out there that Michael has headed up. He's been the only skidder skidding, which we've kept him on a pretty close run here the past couple of days, but he's got a lot of wood headed up. Mickey's been the only one delimbing, processing wood. Michael's got, Puppy has been kind of our main truck. The black Peterbilt that hauls off of our job, he's been down. Quotas are all over the place. Today we only have 9 loads total to get, where we typically move 12 a day. We're down to 9, which in tonnage wise, we typically move somewhere between 300 and 350 tons of wood a day, and we're not even going to be close to that today. So the goal right now is to get, we are cut out, basically cut out. The track buncher is cut out here finally. We have Matt over here somewhere. I know you can't see him, but hopefully on the drone shot there you can see Matt. He's back here getting most everything picked up back here in the back, or finished cut in the back. We've got 2 pockets. The first pocket you can see with all the wood on the ground, the second pocket with all the wood on the ground. Those 2 pockets are still yet to be skidded, so there's for sure all day skidding and processing wood here. And if I step around the skidder, y'all can see Mickey's got a pretty good sized pile of wood back there already. So the job itself is not going to get to the new spot. The new spot is something huge for the channel, for y'all to watch. It's something we've never done before. It's something we've never done before company history. It is something that I have never personally done. It is going to be something that y'all are going to love and want to watch. It's going to be huge. It's going to be big. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But what we got going on here, like I said, we're getting everything cleaned up. We're getting you can see the whole track as a whole. We're done. It was a big track. I'm glad we're done. We've had nothing but hail here when we've worked it. We've had work trucks burn. We've had the saw motor fall off of Mickey's loader when we were thinning it. The top and saw motor, it fell out of it. I think Michael ripped the grapple tong, messed the grapple tong up on the old skidder. When we were here the first time, Matt was running the buncher and the bunching arms, the plating, and so where it's kind of scuffed up right there, the paint's gone, where the arms mount to the inside of the head, all that broke and ripped both of the arms off. We blowed several major lines on the Tigercat 822D track cutter when we was using it. It's just it's been one thing after another, and then most recently y'all seen us get flooded out here. It's just been one of them freak phenomenon tracks that I am glad to finally be done with. It was some awesome wood. We moved a good bit of volume off of them, but I am glad we are done with it, or almost done. So y'all stick around, go down below, hit that subscribe button, go find the link in the description, get you a t-shirt while they're on sale right now. And if y'all like stuff about, it's just big machines. Just look at that big old skidder. Look how big that thing is. And pretty log trucks. Look at that pretty log truck. Big machines, pretty trucks, just logging. Listen, let's listen to that truck. If y'all like that kind of stuff, you're gonna love the channel. So go subscribe if you're not already, and if you are subscribed, thank y'all so much. And there's so much more coming in today, so y'all just buckle up, get ready. We fixing to get at her. that right there was the last tree to be cut down on the cursed tract. Woo! All right, so we're gonna wrap this job site up. This is the cursed thinning, clear cut, flood, whatever you want to call it, track now. I showed y'all earlier, we got everything cut. Matt actually had a little bit more to cut back here, but he got all that cut. Everything's in piles now, but they decreased our quota severely, and then pine mills are shut completely down except for one, and it's in bad shape. Pine mills are altogether in a bad deal. It doesn't look pretty. So yeah, at least we got the track cut out and in piles, I guess. So yeah. Anyway, y'all go down below, find the t-shirt link, buy a shirt, get a subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and like, comment, got any questions on anything, do all that down below. And until next video, we'll catch y'all next time.